Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by locking down your basics, a neutral grip and a full hip turn. First actionable step, feel the wrist hinge on the takeaway and hold that angle through the top. Use a slow 3-step drill, take it back slowly, pause at the top, then initiate the downswing with your hips. This teaches you to delay wrist release. Once you feel the hinge stay, repeat at 50% speed to ingrain timing before adding speed. Now you refine the sequence. Lead with your hips and chest, letting your hands follow rather than push the club. Practice ramping the lower body first. This creates lag and prevents casting. Make sure the club shaft leans toward the target at impact, and early straightening means you cast. Use an impact bag or a towel under the armpit to maintain connection. Once comfortable, swing at 70% while keeping that delay. The pattern must feel mechanical before becoming natural. Finish each rep with high hands and a fully rotated chest to confirm you didn't release early. Record your swings and compare tempo and shaft angle at various drills. Visual feedback reveals premature release. If you still cast, shorten the backswing slightly or increase grip pressure and wrist strength drills to hold lag. One troubleshooting tip. If the cast returns under speed, drop swing length or practice half swings until lag holds. Then progressively add length and speed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.